Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux using GCash. So let's start. First, open your Roblox application. Next, click on Robux and choose the amount you want to buy. If you don't see the GCash option on the payment page, scroll down and click on Other at the bottom. From the new list of payments method, you should now see GCash. If GCash doesn't appear, make sure you have selected the Philippines as your country. Once you have done that, press the Continue button. You will then be asked to scan a QR code using the GCash app to complete your purchase. After scanning, click on the Pay button. Finally, when you open Roblox, you will find the Robux added to your account. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.